Angel. All right, let's go outside. It's Monday and day 125 of my bentos. So today I did shrimp tamagoyaki. I learned that this is a new word. It's Japanese, and it's pretty much just like an egg omelet in Japanese. So I will try to practice saying that right. So in the shrimp tamagoyaki, I did shrimp that was cooked and steamed it in the steamer. Did 4 eggs and salt and pepper and pretty much cook that. The fruit for today is strawberries and oranges. Then I did like a side of kale, onion, and carrot. Put some bonito powder in it. Did some pepper, a little bit of cooking wine. I'm not sure if the cooking wine that I got from the grocery store is either Chinese or Japanese cooking wine, but it tasted really good. And also soy sauce. And so I think with that mixture, I will probably do that again because it just turned out really, really well. Also a side of tomatoes for Mr. Business. And then as usual, having brown rice. We went to the Indian grocery slash international grocery, but there's really a lot of Indian, mostly Indian stuff there. And got a new type of brown rice. It's basmati rice. So I'm intrigued to see how that's going to taste in comparison to the brown rice we got from the Asian grocery. So I think it'll be interesting. But that is the bento for today.